Okay, so we're now going to take a look at question 21 of the November 2021 higher paper. And this question is asking us to convert 0.61 recurring to a fraction. Okay, it's worth 3 marks. So the way we do this is as follows. We're first going to make let x, okay, equal 0.61 recurring. So we're actually going to assign that recurring decimal to a variable, which is x. It could be y, it could be anything, any letter that you prefer. And then we're actually going to also write out in full what does that 61 recurring mean. So the recurring dot, this dot at the top, actually means that we are going to repeat that digit. Okay, so whichever digit that dot is on top, it could be more than one digit as well, it could be on top of the 6 as well. That means the 6 would be recurring and the 1 would be recurring. In this case it's just the 1, so it will be 0.6111 until infinity. Okay, that's what recurring means. So now that we've done that, we've assigned the variable, we're now going to try and multiply that x by 10. Okay, because our job is to convert this decimal into a fraction, and in order to do that we need to sort of get rid of that recurring part and cancel it out. And the way we can do that is sort of by multiplying our decimal by powers of 10. Okay, so if we multiply by 10, x by 10, we get 6.111 recurring. Okay, and if we do another, if we do 100x, then we will be getting 61.111 and so on recurring. So now that we can see the recurring parts, the digits are lined up, that means we can do a subtraction now and cancel these out, and then hopefully we'll be left with integers which we can then convert to a fraction by doing a bit of rearranging. Okay, so lots of topics combined into this question. Now what we're going to do is 100x, and we are going to write it first. So 61.111 recurring, 10x, which is just, oops, let me line the digits up, 6.11, and so on. The ones keep recurring, and we're going to subtract these. Okay, so if we subtract this, 100x minus 10x gives us 90x, and 61.111 recurring minus 6.111 recurring means that these digits are just, these will disappear. Okay, because all the ones are lined up with the other recurring ones, so they're all going to go. We'll just be left with 61 minus 6, which gets us to 55. Okay, so 90x equals 55. Now that looks like a bit of an equation that we can rearrange to get x on its own. So we're going to divide both sides by 90. That's your algebra topic there, which hopefully you would have been revising as well. X equals, because these 90s cancel out. Okay, x got left on its own, equals 55 out of 90, which we can cancel and simplify because they're both multiples of 5, so we can divide by 5. At the top we'll be left with 11, at the denominator we will be left with 18, so the answer should just be 11 out of 18. Okay, and that is all for that question. Stay tuned for more questions from that paper. Okay.